Okay, so we're replacing the hot water heater anode. This one comes with a kit, and look at all that stuff coming out. Like every 6 months, probably a good thing to replace them. Depends on how hard your water is. And mine looks like it's pretty bad because it looks like it hasn't been replaced in a long time. This is what it looks like. It's actually not that bad, but it could be replaced. Looks like it's still pretty good. Yep, that's it. Just gonna clean the tank. Oh, that's a carpet right there. Maybe I'll replace this. Cool. Welcome to Rain's RV. You can do it.
To help avoid those calcium issues is by getting a water softener. It really helps, especially in an environment like this where it's hard water, and this really helps in keeping water clean, keeping water fresh, keeping water soft.
Well, right now we're flushing off the hot water heater to get all that stuff out. See, all that junk coming out. See, all that stuff. Anode just arrived from the mail. This is the older one. You can tell the difference how bad it is. It ate up all this stuff already. You know, so
Crazy.
6 months to a year, you got to replace it. It's easier to replace this. Probably costs you two for $16 instead of $600 to $900 to replace your whole tank. So yeah, so this one just goes in there. Already got Teflon in there, set to go, and you just hand tight it a little bit. Let's put that down. And that's it. Should go in a bit. Untighten that. We got this tool. Things, but that should work. Yeah. Cool. That was it.
Now what?
Done. Make sure that's closed. Or actually, you can have it on, so all the pressure, and then you turn on the water. Let it fill up. And that's it.